Hey friends, here we are honestly testing the most popular trading strategy on the real market. And if you want to be a part of this experiment, stay with us. Today we will test the strategy of one blogger who has more than 700,000 subscribers. The strategy has become very popular, but let's check how it will really work on the market. Shall we get started? So what is this strategy? It's based on three indicators which at first glance do not overlap at all, but sometimes they can argue with each other. Get ready, it's gonna be interesting. The first one is the EMA trading indicator with the length of 50. This is backmark showing where the trend is now. The second one is RSI with the length of 3. It's like the king of friends that say, are not you are overrating in there? I see you are at oversold level. And the third one is ADX. The signals use as whether there is a trading in the market or we are just trading on the ground. So they're different indicators, each with their own opinion. Now let's understand how to open trade. To buy, everything is simple. The price must be above EMA 50. RSI and oversold zone cross the line of 20 from bottom to top, and ADX should be above 30. And where a green candle appears on the chart, we open buy. Don't forget about stop loss risk. The ratio is 2 to 3. This is how the process look like. The deal is closed with profit and everything is as planned. Now selling. The price is above EMA 50. RSI is coming out of the overbought zone. Cross the 80 line downward to the apex and ADX is above 30. The candlestick should be red. After that, we open a sell trade, stop loss and risk. Everything is exactly according to the system and the trade is closed with profit. Now the most interesting thing is testing. We made 100 trades in 29 days. The expectations were high, but the result surprised us. And here, what we got, 70% of deals are in profitable. This is a good result. Of course, there were something losing trades, but still, with such a result, you can good earn money. The main thing is not to miss the signals for following the trading system, not improve. This test shows that if you follow the rules and do not miss signals, you can earn unique good money. But if you start taking on your own discretion or do not follow the condition, the result will be much worse. Here is the conclusion I made after the test. If you follow the strategy carefully and do not skip condition, you can achieve very good result. 70% of profitable trades is a good indicator, and with this approach you can earn real make money. The key thing is not to derive from the system but to act strictly according to the rules. As the last show, strategy based on indicator can work, but only it does not throw everything on the oven and ignore the signals. The market does not like freebies, and clear approach will always pay off. Congratulations on the making it and the end of this video. You are already among of 30% of winners who are not affected to improve their skills and work on themselves. If you want to go even deeper, join my Telegram channel. There I share exclusive material, daily analysis and tip for trader. The link in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell so you does not miss new video. And in the next video, we will check something interesting again. See you friends.